Building a YouTube channel. Yeah, it's exciting and scary at the same time, but here it goes. Hi, my name is Pedram Beshti, and this is my first ever post on YouTube. And I am striving to build a YouTube channel to be of service. I mean, there's so many things that I have watched and tried to prep myself before I launch my first video, and man, it's challenging. I'm not gonna lie. You can totally get inundated with analysis paralysis. And I hear so many things. Like some people just say, your first videos are gonna suck, so just post it. But at the same token, I mean I kind of don't want my first video to suck. And who knows how this video is gonna turn out. But my intentions is to be as raw and as authentic as possible. And this is me, and this is where the journey begins, and I just wanted to kind of share some things with you guys to kind of see that building a YouTube channel can be difficult, and where do you actually begin? Just being authentic. It's so difficult to actually. You know what? It's not that it's difficult. I feel that we just unconsciously make it difficult for ourselves to be authentic because I mean it takes so much courage to actually be who you really are. There's a token where, well, from my perspective is, yes, I can be a father, you can have your corporate job, but then you have this other side of you which can be creative and authentic. But sometimes when you actually express it, you realize that it's not well received, and then you kind of dilute yourself towards the norm of society, and what is the right approach. So I think being authentic is it takes a lot of courage to push through. And even right now, like, yeah, I could develop a script and put a hook, and I've watched so many videos on how you're supposed to lay your videos out. But no, I just think that there's a beauty too in just or there's a lost art in just being authentic and kind of going out there and being yourself and building a community. I feel that that's such an important component of developing a YouTube channel, is to build a community with people that are like-minded. You can share ideas, you can synergize, you can co-create so many wonderful things. And I feel that that's a beautiful component to YouTube. And open to learn and grow. I mean, not the one thing, I mean, there's so many things. One of the many things that I really do love about YouTube is the fact that you can learn, you can grow, you can enhance your creativity. There's no ceiling on how much you want to expand your self, from vocabulary to public speaking to having more knowledge on certain subjects. And I find that to be very, very fascinating. So I mean, the intentions of this video is just kind of get myself out there, post the video, be very open and be very authentic to the journey of posting a YouTube channel. And I hope that this helps you guys, or whoever it is that's listening on the other side, to kind of like take that leap as well and know that, man, I could spend another 2-3 months doing an analysis on how I'm supposed to actually be posting a video, but here it is. This is me. This is how it all begins. So, I mean, I would love to hear your comments below. And you see, that's actually what I learned too from watching all the videos. But I think it's really great to, kind of hear your feedback and understand how it has been for you. If you have aspirations to start a YouTube channel, it's difficult. I know for me, it's going to be a wild journey, but I'd love to hear your perspective on it. So stay in touch, and see you on the next video.